Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CS Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. I finally got the sign back up. I realized the last couple of my videos did not have it. It is back for those of you who noticed. Today we're going to be making something super delicious, cheap and easy. And it's definitely still East meets West pasta, which I love. And I'm using fried dace. You know, the canned fried dace, those little fishies that are deep fried and mixed in with that super tasty savory oil and fermented black beans. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? If you're Asian, you could probably see this at home, usually eaten with steamed rice. So what I'm making today is fried dace pasta. And this pasta is super delicious, it's very savory, it's spicy as hell. If you can't handle the heat, I'd probably reduce or eliminate the Thai chilies or use a different, like milder chili if you need it. And then it's topped with arugula that gets tossed in and wilted once you mix the hot pasta together. It's really, really simple to make, just a few ingredients here. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started. All right, here we go. Just a few ingredients here. This is fried dace. It comes in a can with fermented black beans. You're going to need a whole head of garlic. You've got some lovely shallots here. I'm using 2. And some hot Thai chili peppers. Use with caution. Arugula. And I got some pasta dough here. You could also use dried if you want. So now we're going to start mincing up that garlic. We've got our shallots here, just thinly sliced. Again, we've got our Thai chilies. Be careful, don't touch your eye after that. And we're gonna go ahead and add the pasta to some water. We're gonna cook that according to package directions. I'm just using fresh here, so it takes about a minute. We're gonna reserve some pasta water here, about half a cup. And opening up that can of fried dace, we're gonna add the oil from the can, tons of flavor in that. Adding in the minced garlic, shallots, and chilies. And we're gonna saute this over medium heat. Add in the fried dace along with all the black beans in there. And you're gonna wanna crush it up with the back of your spoon here. From here, once it's all nice and brown, about 10 minutes into it, we're gonna add in our pasta water. Nice and starchy. It's going to make a wonderful base of a sauce here. And add your pasta in here. Toss over low heat and add some arugula here to mix in. Delicious. The arugula will melt nicely and it is so tasty. Yum! If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!